Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me. You made it.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, pretty sure y'all just seen this nigga right here. So that's what's over here. Right now we're about to be going to go pick up some stuff for his Camaro. And since we gotta pick up some stuff for his Camaro, we gotta take the truck. So this is gonna be his first time riding in the Turborado.
He's about to kill me.
Alright, so yeah, I figured we'd squeeze another one in today. Y'all seen earlier I went and picked up the V, but now we gotta go grab this full stuff. So yeah, we're gonna be jumping in the Turborado, you know what I'm saying? About to be picking up some shit because he got his window busted, you know what I'm saying? Baby mama problems and all that other stuff. This nigga got more baby mama problems and he ain't even got no kids. Don't lie to me, bro. That bitch busted shit in your car, bro. She busted shit in your car. Don't lie to me, bro. We can go get on her. We can go put her shit on flat if you want to. You want to go put her shit on flat?
Come on, man. You know
we go put her shit on flat.
Shit like that.
All right, so we're gonna be heading out. Hey, since I'm taking you to go pick up your stuff and you already out here, you already know what I'm about to say. We just gotta straighten up the garage, you know. Bro, I gotta move the Viper over so I can get the V right here. It's simple. It's easy. We'll move the Viper over. We'll push this stuff behind it. This stuff is some that's gonna go in the trash.
It's good.
And we good. We good. So we good?
Yeah, we good.
You sure?
Yeah.
I've been trying to catch this thing on camera not starting up for me. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? Nope. That was a powerful startup, so it's gonna stay running. Ooh, actually, we gotta get some stuff up out of here because I got all the stuff from the CTSV in here. I got a supercharger on the passenger seat. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. I definitely got stuff back here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we should still be fine. Hopefully it fits. Aye, we in the Turborado! Aaron in the Turborado! Bro, y'all don't understand how sketchy this truck is, bro. This is, out of all my cars, this is like my sketchiest vehicle. Like, I feel like this is more sketchier than the Viper.
The boost is nasty on here.
Bro, this thing hits. When it hits, it hits.
It ain't hitting like no car, man. This thing hit like no other.
Yeah, this thing hit. Like, big hit. And it's like, it's weird because it's in a truck. Tires are gonna be cold. Just watch. Make sure no popo around, no nothing like that. First hit, this shit's about to break traction, and it's instantly gonna go to like 100 miles an hour. All right, slow it down. Cause we gotta get the tires warm anyway. Oh, we hooked up. Yeah, we hooked up. Alright. There you go. This thing.
Yeah.
Hold on, got you so you can see yourself in the viewfinder.
Man, this thing is nasty.
Nasty.
Get bigger when the motherfucker kick, when the boost kick.
Bro, it's 830 horsepower, 815 15, 16 torque.
Yeah, when this thing,
Like it's torquey.
yeah, when it got
Let me go up a
traction.
little bit so the wind ain't hitting the mic.
When this thing got traction. Man. Bro, you gotta take this to the Sunday fun day. You know what I'm talking about, bro.
The truck would be out. The truck be getting up.
Bro, it be some shit out there, bro. You gonna be satisfied.
I'm thinking about if, like, now that I really like the truck, I'm hella thinking about doing a 4x4. So if I get rid of this, do it to where it has all-wheel drive, like how Bethos is, bro, it's over. 1200 horsepower, Silverado, all-wheel drive, bro, it's nasty.
I told you, when he was out there, he dogged everything, bro.
Bro, he has the recipe for it, so.
Man.
My only issue is I'm rear-wheel drive. If I had all-wheel drive, bro, it would be cookies.
They doing everything from the beginning.
Yeah, you got all-wheel drive, you got the advantage.
Yeah.
And he makes like 1100 horsepower.
Man.
Woo!
Let me show y'all this. We can't even see and this nigga playing in this motherfucker, man.
Like this.
Woo!
Golden hour. I'm just looking for brake lights.
Hey, I already know he got good clippers of my face. He about to be dying laughing because, man.
Bro, the truck is
nasty.
Bro, if I could put this engine in something else that's lighter, like a Fox body.
Put it in my
Look, little kid. Wanna see some power, little man? Oh shit! Little homie was like,
hell yeah.
bro, this thing mobs, bro.
Hell yeah, dude.
And it's like, it's hella reliable. I can try this anywhere. I drove this SoCal like what, 4 times? We got parts in the back still. I picked up engines with it. Like, I never thought I was gonna like a truck as much as I do like this thing.
Yeah, I was like, I want a truck. This fool wouldn't get one. He had fell in love.
Bro, I literally got the truck so I can haul around the drift trike, and I was tired of asking people to use cars. Like I couldn't fit like certain things in the car. I was like, bro, I'm getting the fucking truck. I need a work truck. It's still a work truck though.
Hey, it is.
I literally I drove this to the shop, picked up all the LT4 parts, and threw them in this thing.
Yeah.
So 100% work truck. I've been waiting for my little 5.3 to blow up so I can do a 6.0, but I'm like you don't need it. You make 6.0 torque, you make like hella power.
Yeah. I told you the 5.3s is nasty, but it gotta be boosted.
I feel like I got like a special 5.3 because usually people are like, oh bro, they would break unless you have like a Gen 4 with the stronger rides. I'm like, I don't know, bro. We've been throwing everything at it and it ain't blew up.
Everything. 5.3s is just good iron box.
Bro, it's always the engines you don't care about that do the best for you.
Yeah.
Once you do a fully built engine, you dress it up all nice, that shit blow up. You're like, bro, this is built for 1,500 horsepower. It blew up at 800. What the hell happened?
Hell yeah.
And it sound hella good. The truck be mobbing. Look. Everybody be like, what the fuck?
Truck doing 100.
Bro, they got I don't think people understand how loud this turbo is.
Yeah.
Like we're on the freeway, they got their windows up and they're like, what the what's that? On top of that, these wastegate, or the wastegate, because it doesn't have duals, it has one big single, I think 60 mil. But this thing has a recirculated gate. All you hear is turbo spooling from the front. Like, it's insanely loud. Like one of my favorite parts on this thing is how loud the turbo sounds. Look, yellow. All right, so off camera, looks like we definitely lost the drive shaft. We seen that fly out a long time ago.
Yep, drive shaft. Oh.
No drive shaft. We got some fluid probably leaking out of the housing. Damn, ejecto drive shaft though, cuz. That shit was like, alright, I'll push, you go on that side. We'll get it to bruh's house and then we'll go pick up the truck and trailer. Yep. We got a long night tonight.
Got a long night tonight.
Damn it. You ready? Ugh. It's only half a mile though, we be alright. GPS says half a mile. Bruh, I can push this for half a mile. I'm positive.
You got a turn right here, right?
Yeah, damn, we in the hood too pushing this motherfucker. Huh? Man, we doing YouTube, we done broke this motherfucker. Mike. Shit, right around the corner? Like half a mile? Right here on Florida Street? I'm gonna leave it in front of my nigga house real quick. If you can, bruh. Look at that, baby. Samaritans helping. Aaron, you know you weak as f. Hold on. Oh, fuck. I can't believe this. We're literally going right on Florida Street. Show, thank you, bruh. Come on, Aaron. Turn this motherfucker.
Hey, hell no. While I'm looking, I'm like, did they blow a tire or something? That was y'all coming down the street hella loud?
Yeah.
What is this motherfucker?
So, Turbo Slide 3?
Oh, yeah.
You
Shut
dropped
up,
it.
man.
Bro, this is good cardio right here.
Okay.
I hope we ain't gotta go up that hill.
He bought a park.
Oh. Bruh, if this ain't a motherfucking leg day like no other, pushing this shit half a mile. Half a mile, bruh.
Every time
I ain't doing leg day this week. This is it.
Every time we together.
Bruh. And Aaron steering. So you know he ain't really pushing. And we going uphill. All right, hold on. We're literally like 900 feet away. And I rolled my ankle, bruh. I'm running with this shit, pushing it, and I step in one of these Vallejo potholes, bruh. Rolled the on my ankle. Hey, you wanna help push? No? Okay. Oh my God, bro. Look, it looks even bigger than a couple minutes ago. Nigga, it look like I got a golf ball in there. Bruh. That is crazy. I'm telling you, I heard it pop. Bruh, I heard it pop.
Crazy.
All right, they got Aaron's glass. I'm tired. Half a mile, bruh. Digging, and we have to go uphill over some train tracks. And my poor ankle. So I called my boy Lex. Lex is on his way with his truck and trailer. We're gonna load this thing up. He's gonna help me get to the house. We're gonna go home and get my trailer, but I don't have a winch on it yet. So I'm definitely about to upgrade the trailer. We need a winch. Definitely need a winch, so that's my next investment for the trailer setup. Yeah, bruh, I'm dripping. dripping like water. It's gonna be a long night. Cause when we get this back home, we gotta transfer his hatch into the diesel. And then I wanna try to drop that off at his house tonight. Damn it, Aaron!
Not your fault.
It's your fault. Every time you with me, my truck break. Literally, last time you was with me, it broke. This time you with me, it broke. This nigga Aaron bad luck. He got voodoo juju on him or something. Alright. My guy Lex just pulled up. Bruh. Here we go. Limping. Hey, my guy with the truck and trailer coming to pick the other guy up that has a truck and trailer, but he's in this other truck that doesn't tow trailers. Bruh, that shit was like, I'm like, here we go.
So look, yo, Mike's followers, he the horsepower king. But how much drivability do you get out of your horsepower king?
I get a lot. This is the first time it's broke.
About a week.
Nah, it's been tuned for like what? A minute.
The truck been gone.
That nigga, it was getting upgraded, you know?
Okay.
Drive shaft, that ain't nothing. Carbon fiber drive shaft coming soon.
The way you was sounding, I thought you got.
I was out of breath.
Oh, okay.
And then I rolled my ankle.
Hold up, man. No,
I rolled my ankle crazy.
well, maybe it will get it, but it's too heavy for those.
All right, we gotta try to get this thing up there. Well, he got a winch. We just gotta winch it up. My poor ankle though. God. What's up, little nigga?
You too damn old for this shit.
What you mean I'm too old for this? This is gonna be your problem when you get older. Unless all your cars end up just being slow.
Hey, man.
Why is my iOS tripping? This is at like 8,000. Hold on, we gotta adjust this. We gotta adjust this down. There we go. Yeah, keep adjusting. 10,000 is more than 8,000 is more than enough. I think this is clear. Let me see. Oh yeah, 8,000 is good. My ankle. Can you kiss it, bro?
Hell nah, man. I had to call your boo-boo.
All right, we good. When it moves, check and see if there's transfer underneath. Yeah, so there's no drive shaft in there. All right, we got it up there. Barely, but it's up there. And my ankle is done. Done. I'm about to be soaking this thing in some Epsom salt. Feel like old school football days.
This nigga is crazy.
Bruh, you should have seen how the drive shaft flew out the back of it. At first it was like baka, 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 baka.
Look at the bodily fluid this vehicle is leaving. Oh, go set that other one in properly. No, because we can't have that out of the picture. Get that.
Hi, we got this thing loaded up. Typical Lex coming to save the day. Luckily we was, you know, about 15 minutes away from his house and not in Oakland.
Yeah, that's the big win right there. I still gotta drive to Fairfield, at least I don't have to go drive way that way.
We ain't going through tolls, man. You know, we get the see how the Dodge tows now. It's the heaviest thing that's been on this. Ah.
You know what I'm saying?
Put it on that nigga. Rambros. Aaron, bad luck. Thumbnail. Ooh, this is a good one right here. Crispy thumbnail. You might not want me to get in your truck. I just farted, so we need like 35 seconds for it to air out.
You lucky we got a track day this weekend. You lucky I ain't got the truck fully loaded.
With bike stuff?
Yeah, I had to take the shit off the trailer to put this on there.
That's cool. You would have took the RX-7 off the trailer for me.
No, it wasn't. No, I gotta screw the anchors in for the bikes.
Oh, well, you would have unscrewed them for me.
I did.
See, I already knew.
Yeah, we could be biking.
All right, y'all, so we just getting back to the house. Truck's in its parking spot. Aaron's about to be taking out his hatch right now. So we still got a long night tonight, man. A long night. So now that we got the truck back, we're gonna be taking the big diesel thing. Aaron's about to throw that in the back of the truck. We gotta take this thing to Oakland, then get back. We still gotta move this stuff around so I can get the CTSV in the garage. Gotta move these cars out the way so the CTSV can get in the garage. And then I still have to edit tonight. And then about 5 a.m. in the morning, we're gonna be leaving because I got a flight to catch. So I'm gonna be up and out. But God, bro, today's gonna be a long night. I'm gonna help you as best as I can with this toe up ankle. All right, just had to go grab all the keys. Oh, my ankle, bro. I think I'm gonna move the Viper over first. And then we can move all the stuff behind it. We can pull the supercharger out. Just throw it over there for now. I'm gonna try to get as close as I can to over here. All these keys, we got diesel keys, 350Z keys, the Viper keys, the V keys.
Keys.
I don't think I'm gonna have to move the Mustang, so we'll be all right.
Hey.
Just make sure, you already know, just guide me.
Mm-hmm.
Leg. Oh, bruh.
Whoa. You almost hit the 350Z. Come on. All right. Go straight. There you go. All right. Yeah, you good.
Bro, I can't even like roll my ankle over. Boop. Stood up. Tree feet. right, we got all the cars situated. And now it is time to go to Oakland. Drops Aaron's hatch off. Yeah, ain't no, yeah. 50 on 50. So, this probably be the last time y'all really get to see this thing in the driveway because I'm about to be giving it away. I went back and forth on the decision. And yeah, my first car, I'm about to get this thing away. For a simple fact that the swing stain is, it's just too much fun drifting. So I can't give that one away. It's like my fun car, so I don't need 3 Mustangs. I definitely need 2 notches. I love this car, but I'd rather go to somebody that's actually gonna use it, enjoy it. Like, I kind of neglect it. It just sits outside. It's definitely a car that should be in the garage, so I'm pretty sure somebody will love this thing more than I do. And, you know, they'll keep it inside. It's definitely gonna be a hard one because it is my first car. But again, like some of the cars that I love, granted, you know, we do the giveaways. Obviously, we make the money back that we put into them, but it's really dope to see my fans really get something that was, you know, mine and enjoy it. Same reason I got rid of the C6. So far, I've been lucky to have most of my cars go to good homes. I think the only car that didn't go to a good home was my old supercharged G35. But, you know, so far, everyone's been like appreciating the builds. I check in with everybody regularly for my people that have won the giveaways just to check on the cars and see how everything's doing. And so far, I haven't really had too many issues. Grateful, man. Grateful so far that everything's been good. You guys haven't heard anything like, oh, this nigga car, I got it and it was a piece of dookie. So, you know, been doing this for years and we still got a good reputation on the cars that we have gave away. So can't be happier than that. Plus, usually the people that enter are people that support the channel. So they get to see the cars that I've put together over the years and then, you know, they get a chance to win them. So hopefully, I really hope, I really want this car to go to a good home. Like I said, it's my first car. Like, I fell in love with 50s due to this and, you know, my boy. So really hope this car goes to a good home. I hate to have it outside, honestly, but I'm not putting the Viper outside for the 50. And the CTSV, they be stealing these things, but luckily mine's dummy proof. I don't think my CTSV can get stolen. But all right, we off to Oakland. Mission. Damn, I gotta climb into this big ass truck too.
Mission.
I need you to help me up, bro.
Yeah, nah.
It's your hatch.
All right, I'm gonna hold you by your cheeks.
Do it. Cuff him.